Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video we're quickly going to look at how to get started. Now I know you're ready, you want to start trading, but let me quickly take you through the things that we are going to need before you can start trading. Now the first thing is an electronic device with internet. So it could be a desktop, it could be a laptop, it could be a tablet, it could even be a 5 inches phone or anything more than that. So any device, any mobile phone that can take in applications and that can also connect to the internet, you can use it. Okay, so it does not have to be your laptop, you can use any of these devices, but your device must be able to connect to the internet. All right, and the second thing you're going to need is a brokerage account. Since you cannot go to the exchanges to facilitate these transactions, you're going to need a broker to help you do so. And so the broker is now going to give you a trading platform that you can connect to with your internet. So on this trading platform, you are going to do your business of buying or selling of forex pairs or any other instrument you want to do. So your broker is going to give you that. The next thing you need definitely is your trading capital. So as a business person, as a trader, you are going to need a trading capital, right? Yeah. So the next thing is a trading system or a signal. So these are the things that are going to give you the ideas, okay, the clues on what to buy and what to sell, where to buy them, where to sell them, when it's time to take your profit, and how to cut down your risk. So you're going to need all of those things as a trader. So it could be a system, it could be a signal. All right, a signal system, something that gives you the tips of what to do. All right, so we're quickly going to, in this video we're going to look at how to set up a brokerage account, and we're also going to go into the trading platform. I believe the electronic device part, you understand that very well. The trading capital, you know that quite well. So later in another video we're not going to look at the trading system, signals and all that. You can generate that so that you'll be able to start trading. Okay, but before that, let's look at how you can set up a brokerage account. So you're going to be using greenwaveexchange.com because Greenwave is a very regulated broker. It's very solid, very stable. It's global. All right, has a presence in Africa and in other regions of the world, and of course with Greenwave you'll be able to deposit quickly and withdraw quickly, so there won't be any type of any kind of manipulation. So you should have an account with Greenwave. So I'm going to show you how you can set up an account with Greenwave and how you can navigate through the account. Okay, so this is my own account already set up, but if you want to set up your own, let's go to greenwavex.com. And so there you have it. Now the website, this is not the final stage of this website. There's been a kind of there's an upgrade currently going on at the time of recording this video. Okay, so next time you check it, or whatever time you are watching this video, it might not look exactly like this. Just make sure you check the URL. This is the URL, HTTPS, very important, and make sure this is there. All right, this means security. Okay, so once you have you've logged in, you've logged into the website, or you type in the URL of the website, then just click on register so that you can get yourself an account. So you put your names here, you put your phone number, you put the email address you want to use, and then a password, and you agree to the terms and conditions. If you want to read the terms and conditions, you can click here and then you just click on send. With that, you have opened an account. So once you open an account, you can get a welcome bonus, which is 30% at the moment, between 30 and 100% depending on the kind of account that you decide to open. Okay, so make sure, because you might not be watching this video as at the time it was recorded. All right, so make sure you know what welcome bonus, okay, is available at the time you want to register your account. Okay, let's say you've done this. Definitely a link is going to send to your email so that you can confirm your email address. So once you've done that, you've clicked on that link and you've done that, then you have a login detail. The login details will also be sent to your email address. So that's it. Now you are ready to go in. So once you do that, then you come back here to login, and so with that, you'll be able to put in your login details. Okay, that just brought me quickly here. So it's supposed to give you something like login detail, password, and okay. So let's just say we'll find ourselves inside of this account. Okay, so this is the brokerage account that you're going to need. All right, definitely you're going to need this. And now you can have many accounts. All right, if you want to have more account, there's an account here already. This is the login detail of that account. I'm going to show you how you can make use of this later. And this is the nickname. You can change this to whatever name you want. Okay, and currently there is no money in this account. So if I want to deposit, I can click deposit here. So if I click deposit here, it's going to show the different payment gateways that are available. You can use your card to fund, you can use cryptos, card also, and then you can do bank wire. This is the account number you can send your money to, and then the money is going to be converted to dollar at whatever rate that was available, or that is available then. Okay, so let me go back to my accounts. So you can add more accounts. You can have an account for yourself, an account for somebody else, an account. You can have as many accounts that you want as you want. So if you want more accounts, you can click on add account here. So, and you pick the platform. I'm going to talk about the platform soon, and then you talk about you pick the okay, you pick the currency, which is the US dollar, and then you put your password, which is the password you use to register into your main account. That's what you're going to put in there, and then you click add. All right, or you just okay, that's it. All right, so that's it, guys. So with that, you have opened an account. So there are other things you can do here, like withdrawal. Let's see all the different withdrawal avenues. So if you want to make a new request for withdrawal, you just click here. It's going to take you through that, and you can see all your request history, your personal data, and all of that. Now let me say something very important. Once you register an account, you will be needed to verify that account, because you want to be certain that you are up to 18 years, which is the minimum age for anyone that want to start doing this business. And then they want to make sure that you have an address, all right, and they want to be very certain of the information, okay, in terms of your personal ID, your name, and stuff like that. So that's why you need to upload documents. Okay, so there are documents you need to upload, your identity documents. So whether driving license or your ID card, it could be your any of these major ID, it could be your NIMC slip and all that. So your proof of address as well, that should be your statement of account. So you do that. So once you are able to upload those two details and it's accepted, that's it. Okay, but you don't really have to wait until your verification is passed before you start trading. So Greenwave allows you to start trading, okay, before your verification is passed. So let's say your documents are not ready yet, so you can start trading before you upload them. But before you withdraw, you will be needed to verify your account. So it's just part of the regulation thing. So so that's it. And now let's now go to where you can download the trading platform. Let's go back to my account. And so this is where you can download the trading platform. You see MetaTrader 4 here. Now MetaTrader 4 is not the only trading platform that you can use with Greenwave Exchange, but MetaTrader 4 is the most popular trading platform that every trader uses. Almost every trader uses MetaTrader 4 to trade, whether on their phone or in their laptop. So you can download MetaTrader 4 your laptop, Microsoft PCs, or maybe your Mac, or your iOS devices, or your Android mobile devices. So you can download MetaTrader 4 into any of this. And if you want to sign out, you sign out. Or so that's it. So that's pretty much everything you need to know about your about the brokerage account. So let's say you want to download MetaTrader 4. I want to download because I'm using my PC for this video. So let me click on here, and then you can see it's downloading right here. Now you see that? So I can always click on where the file is and then run it like every normal software. All right, so let me assume you can do that yourself. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to take you to now is the trading platform. So that's where we're going to see where the markets are, where they reside, and how we can some basic things that we need to know, okay, before we talked about other things. All right, so let me bring up. So if you have been able to, or if you are able to run your MetaTrader 4, well, this is how it's supposed to look like, except that you need to log in. Okay, you need to log in with your detail. All right, so where do you log in? There are two ways you can log in. You can come here to click on login. So you click here, then log in, and then you are going to put a login detail here. So this is your MT4 detail, login detail. Where do you get that? You can get that here. Sorry, let me. So you can get that here on your trading page. That's your platform, rather. So your Green Wave Exchange platform. So this is it. So you just pick this number here. All right, you pick this number here, then you come here. Then you come here, all right, you click on login, and then you put that number here. All right, so you paste it, and then you put your password, your normal password, so you put it there. So once you do that, you click on login, click on save information. If you click on save information, it means that the account is going to be saved here. You don't have to log in again next time you launch your MetaTrader 4. But if you don't click here, that means you have to log in again next time you come in. All right, so that's the difference. So I'm not going to log into this because I already have it there. And so all right, guys, so that is it. So let's quickly now look at the MetaTrader 4. So we've talked about how you can log in. Okay, like I said, there are two ways. This is the second way. You click on file, left top, or top left, then you click on login to trade account, and that's it. So these are the two ways you can log into your account. All right, now the next thing we want to talk about is the navigator. Now every time, this is the navigator, every time you log into your account is the navigator here. All right here. Cool. So every time you log into your account, you are going to see the account here, especially if you save your account information. Even if you don't save, you're going to have it here. All right, so these are the different accounts that have logged in into this MetaTrader. I can also have more accounts here. I can have demo accounts, I can have live accounts, all hosted on this platform, and I can navigate from one to the other. So this is the account that I am on now. All right, there's 55218. I can navigate to this one. All right, if I want to navigate to this one, I just double click and then I click login and it gets me there. So it's as simple as that. Okay, so you have your accounts lined up under the navigator. Now a shortcut to the navigator is right here. This I think there's two stars here, right? So that's your navigator there. So if I uncheck it, it goes up. If I check it back, it comes back. Okay, so that's it. Now the next thing we want to talk about that is also very important is the market watch. Market watch is where you have the list of all the instruments you can trade. Currently I have like this 3. So when you log into your MT4, you're most likely going to see like maybe few ones. But if you want to have all of them, all the different instruments you can trade, just right click here anywhere in the market watch. Okay, so this is the market watch, and click on show all. Now before I go further, let me show you the shortcut to the market watch is here. Okay, so this is the shortcut to the market watch. All right, so once you click there, in case you don't have it, just click on this icon here and then you get it. So these are all the instruments. You can see GBP New Zealand dollar, that's the Great Britain pound against the New Zealand, that's the currency pair. EUR/USD, okay, that is euro against the USD. Okay, this G means green wave. All right, so I also have BTC against the USD, that is Bitcoin against the US dollar. So we can see all the different markets, okay, right there. And each of them, like we said in the last video, in the past video, that every instrument has its own bid price and the ask price. Let me remind us again, I said the ask price is the price the broker is willing to sell to you. Okay, why the bid price is the price the broker is willing to buy from you. And then you will see here that there is a difference between the ask and the bid. The ask is always bigger than the bid, but the difference is very, very tiny, and that's what we call the spread. You can remember that, right? Okay, so the difference between this is spread, but spread is not listed. If you want the spread to show together with them, you can just right click here and then click on you can right click anywhere on the market watch and click on spread, and then you have it there. So please make sure, I want you to note that this spread means is in one decimal place. So this 38 means 3.8, the difference 1.5 pips. We're going to talk about pips in the next video. 3.4 pips, 2.0, and all that, and so it goes, and so it goes, and so it goes. All right. Okay. So so that's it about the market watch. Let's quickly now talk about the chart window. This place is where you call the chart window. It's like, yeah, the market itself. Okay, this is where you have the catalog of all the markets you can trade, and this is where you launch any market you want to trade. So let's say I want to launch the euro US dollar. I just come here, or if I don't have the euro US dollar, I can type, once I'm on the market watch, I just type euro USD, and it just gets me here. Just highlight euro USD for me, and then I just click on it, right click on it, and then click chart window. Okay, and then it gives me this. So just bring it here. All right, so let's say I want to have more instruments here. So let's say I want to have GBP New Zealand dollar. I click on, I make sure it's highlighted, I right click, and I go to chart window. Okay, let's say I want to trade Australian dollar Japanese yen. It's not anywhere around here, but I can always type it AUDJPY, and then it gets me here, and then I right click again and click chart window, and then you see that each new instrument that I launch, I get a new tab for it. So that means I can navigate, okay, in between the different instruments that I want to trade or that I want to analyze at that point in time. Okay, so that's what the chart window gives to you. Now let's talk about what the chart window is on its own. I mean, let's talk about it proper. Now this is a chart of the movement of the instrument you're looking at, okay, and it just depicts the price of that instrument as time goes. So you can see it's a chart of price against time. Yes, as time is going, the market is moving. It's not waiting for anybody. So market is always moving as time is going, in as much it's within the normal trading hour. And then what you're going to see here are what we call candles. You can see, I can enlarge it here to see it bigger. I can make it smaller. All right, let's say I want to make it bigger. So I have each of these candle here. Now there are some information this candle can give to us. Okay, so each candle can give us the highest price, okay, the lowest price, the opening price, and the closing price within a particular time frame. So that means each of these candles represents a time frame, the performance of that instrument within a specific time frame. And now talking about time frame, we have the time frames here. Can you see that time frame? So this one is the monthly time frame. That means if I click on the monthly time frame, I am going to have the performance of this market represented monthly. So this is what is currently happening this month. This is what happened last month. This is what happened in January. All right. Or I want to look at it on a weekly basis. Each of these candles, okay, each of them represent the weekly performance of this euro USD. So this is this week, this was last week, okay, this was the upper week. And if I go to the daily time frame, this one shows the daily activity. This was the one for today. All right, this one was yesterday, the day before yesterday, and so on. All right, I can have for 4 hours. I can even have for 1 million time frame. This one shows the activity of the market every minute. And as the price is moving, you're going to see this white line here, which shows the bid price every time the market is moving. Okay, you always see the bid price, okay, being shown here. And now let's talk about the candles proper. Now it depends on the configuration you have. A white candle in this case means that the market is falling, while a black candle that has a black body means the market is rising within that particular time. Like the last minute, the market fell, okay, from one price level to the other. So how do we know the price level? I can always pick there are some tools we can use. We can pick the crosshair. So crosshair, if I pick the crosshair and I just need to bring it to that level I want to see, and then I will look at my right. That is 1.09836. That was the price at that particular time. Okay, at that particular time. Okay, I can also come here and see that was 1.09956. I can come here to see the price at the top of this candle, that is 1.09934, and I can just go on and like that. So if I click, the crosshair is going to go. If I want something permanent to be put to be pasted, okay, on my chart, I just get the horizontal line. It's here, can you see it? Horizontal line, and then I can pick it here. I can just click and then it sticks there. All right, it sticks there. So that's the price level at this top here. Okay, so as the price is moving, the chart, the candle is showing. So white candle means price is falling, and black candle means price is rising. All right, so let me go to a bigger time frame so that it won't be flipping around. Okay, so but that's not the only information the candlestick gives to us. All right, that's not the only information. Other information include the highest price. So let's look at this candle, for example. Because this is a white candle, all right, it means that price fell within that particular time frame. And what we mean price fell, it means that price closed below its opening price. Okay, so price closed below its opening price. So if this is the opening price, that means the end of this candle here is the closing price, and this peak here, all right, is the highest price, while this tiny one below here is the lowest price. Okay, so these are the four information the candlestick can also give to us. So we're going to talk more about the candlesticks when we get to the advanced class, but I believe that with this you should be able to get at least a reasonable understanding, okay, reasonable knowledge, and a very very useful one also that can get you easily started. All right, so that is where we're gonna end this video up. So the next one, we're gonna go deeper. Okay, we're gonna talk about some very very important terms, some important definitions you need to know, and then we can now place our first trade. All right, thank you very much. See you in the next one.